Yeah, Merry fucking Christmas. Rain, 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 rain. Let's get a good sound of this. Oh, was that? Was that lightning? Let's open it's lightning. Oh, I don't know if it is not. It is, and whoa. So, yeah, no snow. A green Christmas. And a reflection shit. I'll go downstairs and show you guys what it's like to have a running Christmas here in the great North Christmas tree. Okay, let's go check this out, shall we? So I open the curtain, and it's pretty much, if this camera can focus, $300 camera doesn't focus. Okay. Yeah. Now let's have a good view at this. Hear that? That's rain. So, but to those who are like, have a good Christmas, Merry Christmas, and have a good night.